Parachutes in order, Zia.
Alright, here's nothing.
Here's nothing.
Dropping the egg in 3, 2, 1.
That one totally. I kept
Go on this side.
Go on the other side. It's not easier.
Guys, it's easier.
It cracked.
How bad? Let
Well,
me see.
she's committed right now. She's committed. She's coming that way.
Oh, get him out of there. Let's see what he. Trouble.
You can't get that.
Whatever that word is.
Anthony, be careful.
Yeah, I hope I don't crack it just trying to get it out.
Here, let me do it.
Hand it to you.
What change you think?
I can do it.
Hand it to you.
He did it before. We were up here.
Careful, Colton.
What's going on? Are we gonna hurt each other?
Don't hurt yourself.
And then get messed up.
Is he alive?
Whoa, Colton.
Okay, Colton.
Look at that.
Perfect.
It worked.
Not even a crack.
Okay, he did not.
I think so.
Yeah.
It's scaring me though.
I know, like it's not.
We'll see how this goes.
And a 1, 2. He fell out.
I see.
All right, here's the needle.
Godspeed.
That's a golf tee. That's what it looks like. Is a golf tee. He's worried.
No, same thing.
That didn't look good again.
It definitely didn't look good. It started off good.
Yeah.
And the end is listed.
Booyah! And she's nervous.
3, 2, 1.
That hit good. Watch out for all the gross stuff. That's bad. I see crap in the bottom.
Yeah.
What happened? Did it go all the way through?